V, and today I'll be showing you all how to build a custom mechanical keyboard. So you may ask, why a custom mechanical keyboard? Mechanical keyboards come in a variety of different styles and layout configurations, but most importantly, they can be more durable, more customizable, and more ergonomic. Today, I will demonstrate the process of how to build a custom mechanical keyboard in 5 steps. 1. Disassemble. 2. Loop the materials. 3. Mount the stabilizer and switches. 4. Assemble. And 5. Put on the keycaps. First, disassemble the case. Here are the materials that you'll need from left to right. PCB, which stands for printed circuit board, plate with foam, bottom case with foam, top case, and weight. Second, loop the stabilizer and switches. This step is important so that the typing experience can be smoother and the sound profile can be improved. Also, the stabilizer are necessary for longer keys such as spacebar and enter. There are 2 different types of switches, tactile and linear. Tactile switches offer a bump when pressing, while linear switches are smooth during actuation. Today, I will be using tactile switches. Third, mount the stabilizer first, then the switches. This is because the stabilizer go underneath the plate while the switches go in the plate. Fourth, put everything together and assemble the case. Here in this step, put all the pieces together and determine additional sound dampeners to add to the keyboard to overall alter the sound profile like foam or silicone. Finally, top it all off with keycaps. Keycaps designs are a way to put a personal spin on the build and make it unique, which can be switched out at any time. This is the final product, and here's a sound test using voice memos for enhanced quality. There you have it, 5 simple steps of how to build a custom mechanical keyboard. 1. Disassemble. 2. Loop the materials. 3. Mount the stabilizer and switches. 4. Assemble. And 5. Put on the keycaps. Thank you for tuning in.